What brought you here? I know you've lived a few different places, so.
I'm originally from Sudan.
Mm-hmm.
I left Sudan in 2004 with my wife and our oldest daughter to Egypt, which is a neighboring country.
Doing some work with the local immigration partnership in Abbotsford, and maybe tell us a little bit about that.
One of the identities of a local immigration partnership is the identity of community convener.
Okay.
Basically, we try to bring people together. We are not just locally minded, we are also regionally minded, also prioritize the Fraser Valley region. So we work in close partnership together. Food is a great connector. Food is one of the opportunities that we have to connect with people. Once we break bread together and eat together on the same table, we'll have greater chance of also cultivating empathy and understanding towards one another. And I think these are great cultural traits to have because we do a lot of advocacy work around anti-racism, inclusion, belonging.